Having trouble signing in to your Penpot account. Whether you're seeing an incorrect password message, a login error, or the page just won't load, this tutorial will walk you through several practical solutions. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to troubleshoot the most common Penpot login issues in 2026. Start by making sure you're entering the correct email address and password. Double-check for typing mistakes, extra spaces, or incorrect capitalization. If you normally sign in with Google, GitHub, or another provider, make sure you're choosing the same sign-in method you used when creating your account. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password option on the login page. Enter your registered email address, then check your inbox for the password reset message. Follow the instructions in the email and create a new secure password before signing in again. If you've recently created your account, make sure your email address has been verified if verification is required. Look for a verification email in your inbox, and don't forget to check your spam or junk folder if you can't find it. Sometimes your browser stores outdated website data that can interfere with the login process. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart your browser. So if the issue continues, try signing in with another supported browser or use a private browsing window. A slow or unstable internet connection can sometimes interrupt the login process. Make sure your connection is working properly by opening other websites. If everything else is working, the issue could be a temporary Penpot service interruption, so wait a few minutes and try again. If you're still unable to sign in, update your browser to the latest version and restart your device. If none of these solutions work, contact Penpot support with details about the error you're seeing. Including screenshots can help the support team identify the issue much more quickly. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix common Penpot login issues in 2026. Hopefully you're back in your account and ready to continue designing. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Penpot tutorials, and thanks so much for watching.